morning.
How can I help you?
I'm from Ricky. I have a farm. In my farm I plant mainly crops, which is Chinese cabbage. But during the past weeks and days, I observed some symptoms on my crops, and I try to reach out to them and see you as a doctor to make an observation.
Okay, thank you. No problem. Can we visit your house?
Yeah, it's okay.
Go.
Okay, as you can see here, this is my farm. This is Chinese cabbage. Yeah, and you can now begin from there.
So before we move on to our inspection, so like myself as a doctor, so I have to inspect each plant first before we go to explanation and the reason why and the impact, and then how I recommend you as a farmer, farmer Ricky, to control your cabbage. Or yeah, so how do you inspect your cabbage, or how do you manage your cabbage to grow? So starting on, I have to inspect all the row of the plant of the cabbage. Yeah. Now I'm starting to inspect each plant to find any disease or disease. Oh, that's bad, man. Inspection that I have been done, I see that a lot of things, infection. I see a lot of infection of the disease because they have for me spacing for each cabbage should be applied in proper spacing. and it's too close to each other, and also the disease can spread to one another to affect. Or when starting from one, you will decrease. As you can see, the spacing of the cabbage is too close. I recommend you as a farmer, from Famariki, next time if you want to plant your cabbages, please consider your spacing to plant. You decrease the amount of disease that are affecting the cabbage. Control. And on the other hand, it's not about the spacing that affecting the cabbage, but also the nutrients of its cabbage. They all get out the nutrients from each other. As you can see, I show you later early on with my inspection. I showed I mentioned the nutrients earlier. As you can see by the cabbage, this one is to do with the nutrients. I see that your spacing you have to apply, because you can see this centum starting to weak and dry because you don't have much nutrients and water or all this stuff. So I recommend you as a farmer, please considering your spacing and also the spacing, because they have much nutrients to go, and for some of them they never observe the photosynthesis. So this, before we move on to explanation, this is the first part I recommend you to have to do the next planting. When you are planting, please consider your spacing.
Okay, as from the farm, I observed that there are some diseases and pests affecting Chinese cabbage. Normally I observed about 5 of them. As you can see here, first is a leaf spot on the cabbage leaf. It has affected most of Chinese cabbage, the leaf spot.
Okay. This is the leaf spot. As you can see, the leaf spot. This is the leaf spot. The cause of infection of the leaf spot. The symptom include black round parts of which they call sato, as you can see, and in part of this plant, the result reduced the photosynthesis and weaken the plant and may result early leaf drop. You can see you can see by the leaf. To recommend you as a farmer how to manage, choose the disease resistance to cultivar. Use enough fungicide to apply, and also eliminate destroy the infection of the debris, and ensure the correct plant with the spacing. You see, this one is the spacing is not. I think it's just you just plant close to the other, so better for you to space manage your spacing.
Second symptoms that I observed from the cabbage is there's some black things on the leaves. I didn't know what was causing it. I just need to Philip Siva to explain more on this.
Aphid infestation is not a common worm, and also based on climate, humid climate. It's typically tiny found under the leaf. In back of the plant, they cause the stand of the cabbage, and also make the honeydew, which is attract the black mold. And to recommend you as a farmer to control all the diseases that are affecting your plant, please use soap, like soap to apply here to kill all the insects that are affecting your plant. And also neem, the tree leaves, using like a biochemical to apply. If you don't have a lot of money to buy the fungicide.
The disease I observed is the cabbage are not growing well, and some of the leaves are turning yellow.
You can see this is affected by nutrient deficiency, calcium. This cabbage, the symptom include the leaf and its burning and necrosis, particularly in sandy soil. The impact is mainly caused by poor growth of low quality hay. And also to recommend you to control this one, this cabbage or this symptom. First, the soil before you plant this cabbage, you have to test the soil and evaluate the nutrient level before you plant, and also use the reflective of sun prevent the white flies, and regularly in the insect and remove the effect of the plant that affected. Remove when you see any plant like this, please remove, because you will affect the other one.
I observed some white spots on the leaf, as from the second one it is a leaf spot, but this one they are different, they are a little bit white on the leaf.
As you can see here, all the symptom, I didn't find any white fly, but just the symptom of the white fly here. This one and this one and this one. The white fly is small insect that is affect all the cabbage, considering the yellow spot of the cabbage leaf, and the cabbage leaf, and they also make the honeydew, which is attract the sooty of mold. The back of the plant, impact to the plant, the wilting of yellowing leaf. So wilting, the cause of wilting yellow of the leaf, that propagation of the important infection, they also create a honeydew, which is the result in the sooty mold, and it affect all the cabbage leaf. To recommend you as a farmer how to control or manage the white fly, you have to apply insecticide, soap or neem oil, other natural and also other natural predators like acacia or formosa, and use the reflective sun to prevent whitefly. You can regularly inspect and remove the effect of plant that affect by whitefly.
And the last one, as you can see here, the cabbage roots, they are not growing properly. That's why you see the cabbage is about to die.
Okay, this is the cabbage root maggots. The cabbage root maggots are fly larvae. The attack of fruits, causing the stun and develop the withering. Move on to impact plant. The cause of root damage, which is reduce the water and absorption of the nutrients, resulting in poor plant develop. To recommend you as a farmer how to control this kind of sickness, that when you see the symptom, please, I recommend you to use the soil pesticide or biochemical to control the agent like nematode, or use the rotation of crop to avoid the planting, contaminate region, and use the raw clothing to keep flies from depositing egg. Thank you, Farmer Ricky, to ask me for help. That's all. You note all the recommendation for all the diseases that affecting your plant. So if you need further clarification again, please don't hesitate to contact me.
Thank you, Dr. I hope this was very helpful to me to apply the implements and documentation to carry out on my farm. Thank you very much.
Okay.